I'm defending Sadie. And I'm like, I'm not defending him. I was trying to defend my opinion because he doesn't want sorry and he wants an explanation. I'm telling you.
Enjoy the show.
The fact that these two people, Shaun and Wanni, finished the argument of why she was defending Sadie, which Shaun was not happy about, and then asking Topher and Victoria if they enjoyed the show is very, very funny. Meaning they are always putting up this argument, for highlights. That's the message I'm getting from that. And I was like, these two people were just sitting down looking at these two, Shaun and Wanni, trying to, argue. Shaun, on the other hand, was like, why will you be defending Sadie all the time? And he doesn't feel comfortable about it. And Wanni was like, I'm only saying the things that I needed to say and make my points, not because of the person involved. Do you understand that anytime she wants to make her point, she goes so serious and emotional about it? Not like she has something so special about him that she's making the points. Do you understand? Meanwhile, should we talk how Toke was busy, looking at Shaun and admiring Shaun and was like saying that Shaun is looking good in front of the housemates. I feel like this thing she's doing is just to, initiate some kind of drama in the house, or maybe things that people will talk in the house. That's why she left that like that, left that comment for Shaun so that they will keep talking. But it's safe to say now that Shaun is really, really manipulative. I won't lie. Because you were busy telling Wanni that you're uncomfortable about how she's defending Sadie, but you're telling her again that she's not supposed to be talking to Victoria because Victoria is it Victoria? What is that again? That she nominated you. Anita. Yes, it was Anita. Sorry for saying Victoria. That she's not supposed to be talking to Anita because Anita nominated you, but you nominated somebody. So the way he was actually telling Wanni, like trying to use Wanni's head. That guy is just so manipulative, and I just hope that Wanni wakes up from this shipping thing and understand that is it that she does that, or she starts using Shaun too, because Shaun is using her, so he should also use her too. But I feel like she's also doing the same, but she's not really doing that too much because she's already occupied with love. But Shaun is still doing what he's doing, and that's his strategy, to manipulate his way to things. Do you understand? That's what he has been doing in that house. Fear that guy. So I was surprised seeing him, telling him, and he even went as far as going to the diary section and telling Bbnaija that he wants the parrot to be talking every day, that he wants to hear what the Mbadiwe twins has been saying. And who again did he even say that he wants to be hearing what they're saying, that they're acting like they are good people in the house? I'm like, waiting they worry this guy. Well, he's living his reality. At least let's say that this is the kind of person he is. So guys, what do you actually think? Do you think that Shaun is doing too much lately, that he wants to see because he thinks that Mbadiwe twins are talking too much, that they are hiding what they are saying, so he wants the parrot to be using the voices of the people talking to talk, forgetting that they can also use your own voice? Do you get this guy? Guys, this is what I just brought for you guys. Some other guy is manipulative. His manipulation is the strategy.